Fuck, I forgot to go get some milk, man. My fuck. Damn. Fucking cops, man. Half of one wanted me to go get some milk, I think. Some snacks. I'm gonna hit her up right now. Gotta go to the fucking grocery store. Oh, homie. Fucking forgot to go get some milk, man. I gotta give me a 40. Fuck this. This has been a rough night. Fuck, nice. Fucking crazy, dog. Wait, was that the fucking cops in the back? Oh, hell no, dog. What the fuck? That's crazy. That ain't me. Please tell me that shit is not for me. Please tell me that shit is not for me. Come on, it can't be. It can't be. It can't be.
In front of the Dollar Tree.
Oh
Pull
my
over.
gosh. What the fuck did I do? Oh my god, bro.
Pull over, turn right.
Oh my god, bro. What?
I went ahead and
What the fuck did I do, homie? Charlie, dog. I didn't do shit. Man, this some bullshit.
Alright, the plate is OT.
What? You haven't even spoke to me, officer. What the fuck?
Yo,
What did I do?
so, sir, reasons why I pulled you over is you got a broken tail light right here. You know that?
Nah, man. I just seen that just now. What the fuck?
Can I get a license and registration, sir?
Yeah, officer, but this shit is not my car.
What do you mean it's not your car? Whose car is this?
This is a mechanic's car. I'm getting my car fixed. So he let me borrow
A mechanic's
his.
car?
Yes, sir.
Give me a second.
There's my ID. My driver's license.
Officer, Jersey. So, he said this car
Damn,
belongs
you
to
need
his
backup,
mechanic.
homie? Fuck, I didn't do nothing. What the?
What's the name of your mechanic?
The name. He said his name was Chico Blanco.
He said Chico Blanco is the owner. Can you go ahead and
And the plate comes back as Chico Blanco.
I'm just
Hey,
I'm just
you
trying
mind
to get
giving
some milk for some chocolate abuelita my half was making, dog.
Hey, you mind giving Chico a call just to confirm that he let you borrow the car? I mean, it comes back as his, but
Hey,
you
homie,
know,
hey,
just want to get a
you know what
confirmation.
time it is up there? I feel probably sleeping.
And that's the thing; it's this late. How do we
hey,
know he
mind your
really let you use the
business.
car?
Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, I was just trying to get some chocolate abuelita from the, from my headphones. Man, I was already going home, man. Fuck this.
Well, look, I'm gonna give you a fair warning. I'm gonna give you a ticket. Yo.
Man, it's not even my will.
Officer, can you go ahead and give this man a citation for a tail light and fix the ticket, please?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and handle that.
That's some bullshit on me.
So we're gonna give you a citation for broken tail light and a fix-it ticket for no registration because this is not your car.
What the fuck?
But listen. I'm gonna let you slide. I know it's late right now.
Lucky ID number 4.
Okay?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna let you go with a fair warning. You get that? Tell that mechanic, so-called mechanic, to fix his own tail light.
You got it, Holmes.
All right? So you go get your abuelita milk that you need for the night, and you have a nice day. All right? You'll be getting a citation.
All right, man.
And make sure you fix that.
You got it.
All right. Have a good day.
Good morning, officer. Fuck, man. I could never. Oop.
Go ahead and send a citation.
Challenge, homie, I swear I think these fucking cops are trying to investigate me.
Okay, okay. Copy 10-4.
Man, can I leave, officer? Oh, these fools are leaving. Don't even tell me if I can leave them.
You're free to go. Just fix that tail light, all right?
Alright, officer. Appreciate
All right,
it.
have a good day.
Órale. Puto. Fuck. Puerco. Fuck, I'm kidding. Shit. Man, you know what? I'm just gonna pump gas. I don't even want the fucking chocolate abuelita no more, homie. Challenge. Man. Gas prices up the ass. Fuck, homie. Another day. Another fucking crazy night. This is fucking crazy. Man, see what I have to go through every fucking day, every night. And it's a crazy ass world out here. Streets of Los Santos, man. I don't even know if I did the right choice of coming back. Should have never came back. Fuck it. We on that bullshit again. Oh, shit is expensive, homie. Let's just go home. Out of here, homie. Fuck this red light. Fucking red lights take forever, homie. Oh, fuck. I almost fucking crashed. Another day, another night. Let's go home. Man, my jefita's gonna be pissed I didn't fucking find milk. Fuck, man. Who's that? Chico Blanco. Oh shit, he's calling me now? Thought he'd be fucking sleeping. Hello? Hello? Hey, what's up, homie?
Hey, I just finished up detailing your car. The old guy, he did some good work with those pinstripes.
Órale, vato, you've been working all night, huh?
Hey, for real, hey, I engine swapped it for you too.
That's crazy, vato.
But I hook you up for low,
Órale, let me know how much it is, vato. I'll get that money for you. And man, hey, I had a crazy ass night. I got pulled over in your fucking car, dog.
Yeah, the cops came over here. They told me that they had a run-in with you.
Órale, vato. Hey, my bad, dog. You know, I think I broke the backlight. Hey, I'll replace that shit too, dog. Hey, let me know how much.
Oh, no problem, no problem.
Órale,
That fucking
vato.
thing always goes I always have to smack it and it comes back on.
Órale, Holmes. Hey, I'll let you. Hey, I'll hit you up in this fucking late as fuck already.
Hell yeah,
I'll hit
vato,
you
just
up in
let
the
me
morning,
know.
homie, when I wake up. And
Sure.
we'll get that shit handled.
Hell yeah.
Órale, bro. I'll catch you later, G.
For sure, have a good one, dog.
Rato. What a crazy ass fucking night, homie. Chales. Hey, look in the bright side. At least I get to get my car back tomorrow. Fuck yeah, homie.